Doug from League City has questions about his attic vents.
Well, he got a new roof back in 2014, and the roofer forgot to put in the vents.
Oops.
Doug writes, when the AC guy came out, he said we should have vents, and he come to find out all this time we did not have them. He says he called the roofing company, they apologized, and they said they're going to come out and make it right. So, Tom, Doug wants to know, they're saying they can give him solar vents or power vents. Which would you recommend?
Well, they're both power vents. One uses electricity,
Right.
the other one works off
Exactly.
solar. So I think I'd go with the solar vents because the power vents tend to burn up and the motors burn out quite a bit. But the solar vents, they seem to be more durable in the attic. So if I had the choice between the two, I'd go solar.
And if you had any choice at all, you'd have none, though.
I wouldn't have any, no. Ridge vents and soffit vents by far.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if it's possible that Doug has ridge vents and soffit vents,
Then he wouldn't need any power vents. I would tell him not to do it.
and the AC guy's all wet saying that you got to have them.
AC guys like to have them on when they're up there working.
Oh, well, of course they do.
It's very hot in your attic. It's supposed to be.
Yes, we'd like to be served iced tea as well.
I've heard this many, many times. So,
And you have said in the past the attic temperature should be, about the same as outside?
ideally would be the same. And usually it's going to be a little hotter when the sun's out in the afternoon. But really, the radiant barriers and ridge vents are the way to go.
So maybe, Doug, the answer would be to, instead of getting those vents put in the roof, maybe what you want to do is get them to put in a radiant barrier instead, if you have soffit and
If you have
ridge
soffit vents and ridge vents, don't do anything. If you're going to have a radiant barrier, I doubt the roofer's going to put it in.
Right.
But the roofer might refund a little bit of money because of the fact that he
Right.
didn't put what he was supposed to
There
put
you
in.
go.
and
That's
he
what we're
agreed
talking
to.
about.
Yeah.
All right. We're talking about helping you anytime you want. All you got to do is write to us. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and fill out that Ask Tom form. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or
Ding.
Sunday morning on Early Edition.